Hello there, divergence traders. Good to see you come back again to watch and listen. Okay, so let's dive right into it, into the setups. As you can see, we did have a trade to begin with, right here. That's a double top if I ever did see one. Like that, yeah. Just like that. Close enough. All right, so the entry would have been to sell. That is a double top divergence setup. You would have sold right in here about 15 minutes after 8. Your stop would have been around 17 points on the NASDAQ, and your potential would have been 45 points, which is pretty good. That's through non-farm payroll and the whole deal. As you can see, non-farm payroll only spiked 40. There's only 46 pips movement on the opening of that news. That's it. Right there, big pin bar. And then we came down. There was no divergence down here for here to get in here for it to go up here. And where did it happen to bounce off of, ladies and gents? Exactly at 14,600. But these prices with the Forex broker, okay, this is a Forex broker. It's not the real price. It's off by 20. I think it's off by 50 points. So, you know, the only way to look at that is if I was to open up my Ninja Trader, and I'm just not doing it off those charts right now. So anyway, right up here, there was no trade to sell on the 5 minute. It came back down. But let's take a look at the 1 minute. Because in reality, if you really want to trade this as close as you can get to your entry point, and that's what you want, you know, you want to be selling right here, not way down here. Okay? Let me show you. So it rallied right up. You want to be selling from up here, not way the hell down here. That's the problem, eh? When a market is either rallying right up or, you know, just rolling over and falling down, people are afraid to sell up here because they fear it's going to go higher. And that's the problem with trading. You need to buy low, or the lowest part that looks like the low on your chart, and you need to sell near the high. Buy low, sell high. But of course, we know that, you know, that could mean something else if you're trading the stock market. Where in this market, we can win at both sides. You can win at both sides of the stock market too, but anyway, it's another story. So, yeah, so anyway, let's take another look back at the 1 minute. Oh, yeah. Here we go. So the market opened here. It went up. It put in a high, didn't it? It did. And then it did a retracement, and then a higher high, and a sell-off of this whole number, according to these charts. Not that the price is right, okay? So, we have easy to see divergence. Just like that. Would have sold it right on the opening of this candle. Stop would have been around 25 points. And how far did it go down? 135 points. And then we got down here and we have a low and a lower low on the 5 minute. I mean on the 1 minute. Right here. Boom. And Boom. And we would have got long right on the opening of this candle. Well, what did it do? It went up a little bit, came back down, freaked you out, went up even higher. So in this trade, you would have got long here. Your stop would have been 38 points. Did it go up 38 points? No. Went up around 27. So you got something out of it. You got to do money management, right? So anyway, that's it for the 1 minute. And then the 5 minute, we did not have these trades, but we did have one trade. I'm looking at this as a double bottom right here. It's just a little shy of coming down and making that perfect double bottom. Yes, indeed. But as you can see from here over to here, it was divergent. You would have got in. I actually traded this trade right here today. I got in right about 14,503. Just where this lightly green line is, if you can see it. I doubt you can. I'm not getting perfect clarity with my videos. I don't know why, or at least on my side they don't look clear. They look fuzzy. I've had this problem forever and I don't know why, because I've had different computers and different graphic cards that make the clarity, right? I don't know why I can't see it right on my chart like as some other YouTubers. So anyway, if you would have got in here, you'd be up about 40 points right now on this trade. Double bottom, buy it, up it goes. All right, let's take a quick look now at the Dow. Look at the Dow, eh? Just went the other way. Yeah, man. And there's no divergence down here. None. This is the 5 minute. This is not divergent. 15 minute. Yeah, there is divergence on the 15 minute to buy it here. And it was a simple. So you can go to any time frame and find something. Right there. And right there. That is divergent, ladies and gentlemen. You would have got in right there on the opening of that candle. So if you got in right there, your stop would have been 130 points. And it's gone up 280 so far. All right, let's take a look at the S&P. Oh, what a mess it will be. Whoa. Well, the VWAP worked, huh? They bought off the VWAP on the news. Okay, I see it. Didn't take long. There's no trade to sell it off of here, and there's no trade to buy it in here. There was just this trade. All right, so if we got in on a pullback, say right here, stop would have been down here, 12 points. It's gone up 18 points. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio with a little bit of drawdown in here. All right, and it keeps pushing higher. And let's look at oil. What did oil do today? Okay. Kept making higher highs. So if we take that, double top, just like that. That lines up. That lines up. Would have got in, say, right here would be the perfect entry. 33-point stop. Went down 45 points. So you would have got your 33 points in 10 minutes flat. Boom, boom. End of story. All right, let's take a look at the pound yen now. Oh, look at this roller coaster ride. Not looking too good. Okay. I don't see any trade here to buy up. Do you see it? Oh, actually, yeah, I do see it. But they came and got your stops. It's right here. Right here. So we got a low here. And a lower low right there like that. And there's the divergence. Actually, the moving averages are so tight, it never gave. To me, it never gave. I wouldn't have traded the non-farm either anyway. You know, I would have bought right here. You'd have waited till it, you know, cleared out. It cleared this crap. Actually, right here. That would be the buy. So if you got in right there, your stop would be below the wick, 29 pips. Went up 30 right there. You would have got your 1-to-1 right there. You would have got your 2-to-1 right up there. Then we had another trade. We got high. We got a high and a higher high to the top of the wick. And we got a lower mountain peak. See that? Boom, lines up. Boom, lines up. Where would you enter here now? You know, we need the 5 crossing down below the 7. It didn't cross down here, did it? No, it crossed down here. So we would have got short right here. I would be putting my stop up here, 27 pips. So far, it's only went down 17. Needs another 10 pips or so. This could just be a deep pullback and then a continuation down. Don't know. Euro yen, oh, same kind of action, eh? Same kind of action. Big spike up and down, and let me show you that divergence. Just like that. There's the divergence. It's right there. I would have looked to get long after the news right there. So if we got in right there, stop was 30 points. There's your 30 points by the skin of your teeth, ladies and gents. 30 points right up there. Okay, and the next trade is just the same as the pound yen. High and higher high. Lower high on the OSMA. Right there. Now, our entry on this trade would have been on the opening of this candle right here. Right? So your stop would be 15 points. And look at that. They did the old scare stop deal, and then they took it down. It's only what? 15. Yeah, 15 pips. It's only went down like 8 pips. It's gone back up again. To me, it looks like it's just going to keep going up. Me, right now, I would get out of the trade. I would dump it because the 5 has crossed above the 7. I would be dumping it here for a loss of around 2 or 3 pips. You definitely would be okay. Okay, because you made 30 on this trade all the way to the top. All right, let's look at gold. What did gold give us? Oh, yeah, I see it. I see it. I see, señorita. I see, señor. Okay. right here, man. Look at that spike, eh? Looks like a sword, like you'd be fighting. Where do they call it? In Scotland, where my brother's bloodline comes from, the Scots. Me, I'm not Scottish. We have the same mom and different dads. My brother that I'm talking about. My brother, the rock and roll singer, Sunny Night was his stage name. Should have been a major rock star, woulda, coulda, shoulda, but said no to someone very important and never became a rock star. Yeah. I won't mention any names here because who knows? They could kick me off this channel. Who knows? Who knows, man? Even though it happened like forever ago, 1982. Okay, back to this now. Yeah, I don't like this. All the way down there to sell it, eh? Crappers. And that's gold. So we sold there, our stop would be 75 points. Did we get 75 points? We got 71 there. Yeah, we got 75 points. We got our 1-to-1 right from there to there. Yes, indeed. And down here, yeah. We got low and a lower low. Just like that. So, I'd wait. It kind of rallied back so quickly. This is gold, right? Like, look at this, man. It rallied back 62 points. I'd be kind of hesitant maybe to take this trade. And now it's crossed back over. So, if you did get in right here, buying it, well, I'd be getting out right here, losing about 10 to 15 points right here. Okay, and let's look at the last one, pound dollar. Let's see what did it do? What did it do? There's one of those long swords again. Huh. Got a high and a higher high. But this high needs to be lower than this high. There's no divergence to sell up here. There is not. And down it goes. And down 60 pips basically. All that there is a cross down of the 5 below the 7 if you trade moving averages crosses, because sometimes they do work well, especially when they sell it off a major, zone. Let's call it a zone. And there was a major zone there. So that would be valid. Sell it somewhere in here. Down it goes. 40 points. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. We'll see you Monday, 100%. Good luck and good trading. Have a great weekend.